This rescue kit is designed to help manage minor braces issues at home until the patient can be seen in the office. Inside the kit, you will find a wire push stick, a mouth mirror, a distal end cutter, brace relief gel, orthodontic wax, and an alcohol wipe. The wire push stick is used to gently push poking wire away from the cheek or the gums. The mouth mirror helps guide you and allow you to check if the wire may be sticking out. The distal end cutter is used to cut and hold a poking wire if it becomes uncomfortable. The brace relief gel can be applied to irritated areas inside of the mouth to help soothe discomfort. Orthodontic wax can be applied to any irritated areas inside of the mouth to help soothe discomfort. And the alcohol wipe is used to clean the wire cutter before use. This kit provides temporary relief for minor braces issues until the patient can come into the office for an adjustment. I'm going to show you how to safely use a distal end cutter if a wire is poking and causing discomfort. First, use the mouth mirror to locate the wire that is sticking out. Take the distal end cutter and carefully place the tip of the cutter as close as possible to the end of the bracket where the wire is extending past. Once the cutter is positioned, firmly hold and gently press down to clip the wire. The distal end cutter is designed to cut and hold the small piece of wire so it does not fall out of the mouth. After the wire is clipped, carefully remove the cutter and check with the mirror to make sure the wire is no longer poking and long. If irritation continues, orthodontic wax can be placed over the area for additional comfort until the patient can be seen in the office. I'm going to show you how to apply orthodontic wax. First, take a piece of tissue or napkin and dry the area that's bothering you. Drying the bracket or the wire helps the wax stay in place. Next, take a small piece of orthodontic wax and roll it into a small ball using your fingers. Once it's rolled into a ball, you're going to gently place it over the area that's bothering you. Press the wax firmly onto the bracket or wire so it sticks and creates a smooth barrier between your braces and the inside of your cheek and lips. The wax will help reduce irritation and make the area comfortable until you are able to come into the office if needed.